Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the USB controller is in a failed state or is not currently installed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to update the USB drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and select update driver, and do that for all the root hub drivers. And finally, you can run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So the command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Okay, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste this command here and hit enter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.